Welcome in everybody, Dee here. Lisa's got the night off. In this video we're going to be taking down the chimney. We had the roofers take it down below the roof when they reshingled the house. But now we're going to get started in taking it down from the attic, the second floor, the first floor, all the way down to the basement. Hopefully we'll get there one of these days. It's very labor intensive, a lot of repetition. This should be a fairly short video. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe turn on that notification bell. It really does help us out, especially if you want to leave us a comment. Anyway, we'll get right into the work. Apologize if it's a little bit boring. It's going to be taking it down brick by brick. As with everything we've done throughout our project, we have a lot of trial and error. We started off with only 4 buckets, and that seemed to be a little bit too slow. We also intended to only do like 1 trip with the buckets at the beginning of our workday shift and then another one at the end of our workday shift. But once we get started doing something, it's hard for us to stop. So we ended up making several trips, and by that time we were pretty hot and sweaty and wore out. As you might can see on my hat, the sweat is already getting to me. At this point we felt like we'd made quite a bit of progress. But then I realized, oh no, we've got another chimney to go after this one. We're very grateful to have the use of this dump trailer. It has really been a tremendous helping hand to be able to use that. This is still our first day of chimney removal. Even though you may have noticed a wardrobe change, I got so soaking wet I had to change my shirt. This may be toward the end of the day though, and we were going to make a few more trips with it. It was really hot up in that attic, about 120 degrees or so, even though we have exhaust fans and another fan to bring some of the cold air up. I believe that was it for day 1. I was so proud of what we had accomplished, but we still got a long way to go. Each floor is about 10 foot tall, so for the first day we only got probably 3.5 to 4 foot of the chimney down. It took us quite a while though, because I would have to lower the bricks from the attic down to the second floor, and then from the second floor down to the first, and then we would carry them out to that dump trailer. Now begins the second day. You can notice another wardrobe change. We started off with only 4 buckets, and that was working pretty well, but going up and down those steps gets old pretty quick. So I believe it was after this trip we upped the buckets to 6, and then later on I believe we upped it to 8. I don't know why people get a gym membership. They should just buy an old house and get to work on it, because you're going to use muscles you may have never used before. This was really tough. It wasn't so hard as we were doing the work, but the day after, wow, were we both sore. After we got the bricks down to at least the ceiling height of the second floor, we were able to come down to the second floor, and we utilized the chute so that we could dump the buckets in and it would go straight to our trailer. Man, that sped up the process. We were able to get this entire length of chimney in the second floor down in just a matter of about an hour, whereas it took us about probably 3 or 4 hours just to get it out of the attic. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you're enjoying our content, please don't forget to like, share, possibly even consider subscribing. And if you're really enjoying the content, click that notification bell. That way you can get alerted when we do finally upload a new video. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you.